Anyway guys, a little bit of a late video here, but in today's video, if you guys can tell by the music, I am going to be playing some Forza Horizon, and I'm going to be doing a ramp jumping video. I'm not doing a free roam video, it's just going to be a quick little ramp jump video, and I do not know which car I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to decide once it loads. Decided which car I'm going to be doing this one, which should be pretty fun. Now I gotta get to the ramp, and that will be the next clip, will be me at the ramp. Alright, well I made it to the spot, and here we go. This one might go far. Hopefully it makes it to the river. If not, it's gonna be very close. Oh, that's going in the river. It's going in the river. Whoops. Well, I made it to the river. That was what my goal was. One day I'm gonna make a video and it's gonna full-on jump the river. I've seen videos of other people doing it, but I have never done it. But anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this little video. I haven't made a Forza video in a while, and I wanted to bring one back. I mostly make a lot of my video game videos, like my gaming videos, in the winter time when it's colder outside, when there's not a lot to do outside. But I was like, I'm gonna bring one back just for now, or just for fun, just for the fun of it. Never know what to expect from Everyday Andrew. But anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well to never miss lit Everyday Andrew videos. And I am gonna make a guitar video either tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday. But yeah. And Everyday Andrew out. Peace.